Hi, my name's Kelly and I'm 58 years old and I want to talk to you about my Pop On veneers. I received them a couple weeks ago and I am beyond thrilled with them. The whole process was fast and very, very easy. I used to have a really nice smile that I was proud of. I no longer do. I started grinding my teeth within the last 3 to 4 years, and with that grinding process, my front teeth now have an arch when I smile. One is shorter than the other, and I really don't like to smile anymore because it just looks awful to me. So when I came across Pop On veneers, I figured, you know what? $600 and some investment, better than $20,000, which I don't have for implants. So I went this route and I am beyond thrilled that I did. So here's my teeth. As you can see, one is shorter than the other and there's an arch. And when you can really see it is when they send you back the imprints that they made from your impressions. You can see how I have an overbite, and looking, you can really see how they arch up. Not impressive. So with that said, here are my new veneers. Very easy to get in and out. All you do is you pop them in. I'll do the bottom ones first. See? That's it. It's in. You can already see a difference. And here's the top ones. And here I am. Look at this smile. You can see my teeth now. My confidence has shot up through the roof, and now I smile like I once smiled years ago before I started grinding the heck out of my teeth. Every penny worth it. I highly recommend you do this too. You will not be sorry.